to viewers, I am Mohak Malhotra, an associate at Daily. So today I would be talking about the high-profile criminal case of United States versus Lay and Skilling, 2006, involving the collapse of Enron Corporation, which was one of the largest corporate scandals in U.S. history. So I'll summarize the same. Enron Corporation, a prominent energy company, collapsed in 2001 due to fraudulent accounting practices and corporate misconduct. So Enron's chairman and Jeffrey Skilling was its CEO. Both were indicted on multiple charges related to securities fraud, conspiracy, and insider trading. The prosecution alleged that Lay and Skilling knowingly engaged in fraudulent activities such as manipulating the financial statements, concealing the debts, and misleading the investors in regulating about Enron's true financial health. So the trial took place in 2006. Lay and Skilling pleaded not guilty and maintained that they were unaware of any wrongdoing within the company. So Kenneth Lay was found guilty on multiple counts, including securities fraud and conspiracy, but he passed away before sentencing. So Jeffrey Skilling was found guilty on multiple counts, including securities fraud, conspiracy, and insider trading. Jeffrey Skilling was sentenced to 24 years and 4 months in federal prison. After several appeals and legal proceedings, his sentence was reduced to 14 and he was ordered to pay restitution. So Enron scandal exposed weaknesses in corporate governance, accounting practices, and oversight mechanisms. It led to significant regulatory reforms and increased the scrutiny of corporate transparency and accountability. The case garnered significant media attention and brought the attention to issues such as corporate fraud and ethical misconduct and the potential risk associated with the complex financial structures. The case set legal precedents in the realm of white-collar crime, particularly concerning the prosecution of corporate executives for their involvement in fraudulent activities. The Enron scandal and the subsequent legal proceedings had a lasting impact on the corporate culture, regulatory frameworks, and public trust in the financial industry. It served as a cautionary tale of corporate malfeasance and the consequences of unethical behavior. So this is all, and I'll wind up this video here. And if anyone of you have any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.